Hello kids, this is your mentor Neetu. We are doing chapter 8, decimal numbers of class 5. So let's start. Get started. Complete your table through the color part. So we can do it. You know very well, you have done in your previous class. Like this, first, second and third. So decimal. So I am telling you about decimal. So decimals are the ways of representing fractions with denominators 10, 100 and 1000 and so on. फ्रैक्शन वी हैव डन. अब अगर फ्रैक्शन में डिनोमिनेटर 10 आ जाए, 100 आ जाए, 1000 आ जाए, तो उसको हम रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं डेसिमल फॉर्म में. So one decimal place is like 0.5, 0.6, etc. Show that the fractions have 10 as its denominator. One decimal place means after decimal we have one digit. इसका मतलब क्या है? फ्रैक्शन में डिनोमिनेटर में क्या है? 10. And if we have two decimal places like 0.05, 0.06, इसमें क्या है? डेसिमल के बाद दो डिजिट है. It means we have to write 100 as a denominator. So two decimal places like 0.05, 0.06, etc. show that the fraction have 100 as its denominator. And similarly, three decimal place means अगर decimal के बाद three digits है. So three decimal places like 0.005, 0.006 show that the fraction have 1000 as denominator. So now let's see decimal place value chart. So we have learned that the value of a digit increases 10 times as we move its place towards the left. In decimals, the value of a digit becomes 1/10 each time we move its place to the right. So this is a place value chart for this number given on the next page. One number is given here, so we are seeing its place value chart. So the first place to the right of the decimal point is called 10. जो decimal के बाद digit होगा उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? 10th. Like here 5 is at 10th place. And 7, the second place to the right of the decimal point is called 100. जो decimal के बाद second digit होगा उसको हम बोलेंगे 100. And the third place to the right of the decimal point is called 1000. जो decimal के बाद third digit होगा उसको हम बोलेंगे 1000 place. th, not thousand. Okay. So whole number part is the place value chart. First is whole number part and the next is decimal part. जो हम पहले लिखेंगे उसमें हम whole number represent करेंगे और जो बाद के decimal point के बाद है उसमें बोलेंगे decimal part. So number is giving 34,56,283.576. So how to write in the place value chart? We will make like earlier we have done in the first chapter. So ones, tens, hundred, 10,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and after decimal 10, then 100, then 1000. So you will write the digit according to the place, right? So like 3 is under 10 lakh, 4 is under lakh, and like this. So this is the place value chart of a number. So now place value and expanded form. So it would be more clear, अच्छे से clear होगा. हम examples करते हैं. So example 1, write the place value of all the digits in the number 81.642 and also write this decimal number in expanded form. So we are writing the number first 81.642. अब हम start करेंगे 2 की place value. It is at 1000 place. So the place value of 2 is 2000. Means 2 upon 1000 means 0.002. The place value of 4 is 400 means 0.04. Then the place value of 6 is 610 means 0.6, right? So now 1 is at 1's place, so place value of 1 is 1 only. 8 is at 10th place, so place value of 8 is 8 tenths means 80. So expanded form we can write 80 plus 1 plus 0.6 plus 0.04 plus 0.002. Now example 2, write the expanded form of the following. A part 28.49. So 28.49 equals to what? 2 is at, first see 8 is at 1's place, 2 is at 10th place. 4 is at 10th place, decimal के बाद first digit है, और 9 is at 100th place. So what will you write? 20 plus 8 plus 4 by 10 plus 9 by 100. So what we can write? 20 plus 8 plus 0.4 plus 0.09. Right? So see B part here, 567.385. So 7 is at 1's place, 6 is at 10's place, 5 is at 100th place. So how do you write it? 500 plus 60 plus 7 plus 3 by 10 plus 8 by 100 plus 5 by 1000. आपको देखते जाना है कि डेसिमल के बाद डिजिट कहाँ कहाँ पर है. डेसिमल के बाद फर्स्ट डिजिट है तो वो 10th प्लेस है, डेसिमल के बाद सेकंड डिजिट है तो वो 100th प्लेस है, और डेसिमल के बाद थर्ड है तो वो 1000th प्लेस है. तो यू राइट 10, 100, 1000 एज द डिनोमिनेटर. तो इसको हम फिर चेंज कर देंगे डेसिमल में. 500 plus 60 plus 7 plus 0.3 plus 0.08 plus 0.005. So now you can do exercise 8.1. Like the first question, write the following in words. Like A part 7.4. Okay, like this in words. And similarly now second question, write the following in figures. A part 34.067. So how you will write it? So 34.067. So like this. So you can enjoy this exercise. So now we are doing the next one, converting fractions into decimal. अब fraction को decimal में convert करना है, कैसे करना है? Let's see. So rule 1, count the number of zeros following 1 in the denominator. हमें देखना है 1 के बाद कितनी zeros हैं. Then rule 2, count an equal number of places in the numerator starting from the unit digit and then place the decimal. आपने क्या करना है? जैसे like see this example 1, convert the following into decimal. 27 by 10. First आपने denominator में देखना है कितनी zeros हैं. 1 0. तो 1 place आप चलेंगे unit digit से. 1 से पहले आपको you have to put the decimal point. So 27 by 10 means it is 2.7. Right? They have done like this. They have changed into first mixed fraction 2 whole 7 by 10. So 7 by 10 क्या बन गया? 0.7. So it becomes 2.7. Now see B part here. 8007 upon 1000. अब 1000 है, 3 zeros है. तो आप क्या करेंगे? You can write directly also. 3 zeros count, 3 digits count करो unit से, ones digit से. So what will you get? 1, 2, 3 यानी 8.007. So how they have done it? इन्होंने change किया है mixed fraction में 8 whole 7 by 1000 और 7 by 1000 क्या बन जाएगा? 0.007. So 8 plus 0.007 means 8.007. So here the 0 is indicating the number of decimal place. So जितने zeros नीचे होंगी उतने decimal place आ जाएंगे, right? So now converting decimal into fraction. अभी हमने fraction को convert किया decimal में, अब हम decimal को convert करेंगे fraction में. It's also very easy. See how? Rule 1, write the given number without the decimal point in the numerator. Rule 2, write 1 in the denominator or followed by as many zeros as the decimal places. And rule 3, then write the resulting fraction in the lowest form. If required, also change into mixed fraction. पहले आपने क्या करना है? आपने decimal number लिखा, like example 2, the A part 6.9, इसको convert करना है fraction में. आपने लिखा है इसमें कितने digit हैं decimal से 12. 1 digit है, इसका मतलब कितनी zeros आएंगी? 1 zero आएगी नीचे denominator में. So 69 हम remove कर देंगे decimal point, 69 upon 10. अब ये number आप change कर सकते हैं mixed fraction में. So what will you get? You will get 6 whole 9 by 10, right? So see now B part, it will be more clear to you. 13.75. 13.75 में कितने digits हैं? After decimal 2 digits हैं. So when you will remove decimal, आपने decimal point remove करना है, आप नीचे लिख देंगे 100. आपके पास क्या आ जाएगा? 1375 upon 100. अब दोनों नंबर 5 से डिविजिबल है, अब 5 से कट कर दो, अगेन 5 से कट कर दो, सो व्हाट आर यू गेटिंग 55/4. इसको आप चेंज कर सकते हैं नेक्स्ट फ्रैक्शन में, सो दैट इज 13 होल 3/4, राइट. सो आई होप इट्स क्लियर टू यू. नाउ इक्विवेलेंट डेसिमल, जैसे हमने इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शंस की बात की थी, ऐसे ही इक्विवेलेंट डेसिमल्स होती हैं. इट्स वेरी सिंपल. See, all three decimal numbers shown below in the figures have the same values, therefore they are called equivalent decimals. इन्होंने हमें 3 figures दी हैं. The first one में out of 10 parts 3 are shaded, so it becomes 3/10, 3/10, ये बन गया 0.3. Second figure में these are 100 total 100 blocks, out of 100 30 are shaded, so 30/100, it becomes 0.30. इसमें क्या है 300,000, so it becomes 300/1000, means 1000 में से 300 parts are shaded, so it becomes 0.300. So these decimals can also be written as 0.3 equals to 0.30 equals to 0.300, or you can write 0.3, 0.3, 0.3 means जीरोस कितने भी आ जाए डिजिट के बाद वैल्यू वुड बी सेम. ये 0.3 ही रहेगा, ये भी 0.3 बनेगा और ये भी 0.3 बनेगा. सो दीज ऑल आर इक्विवेलेंट डेसिमल्स. सो therefore the value of decimal number does not change even if zeros are added. The number after the decimal digit on the extreme right, जितनी मर्जी zeros add कर दे, value does not change. So such decimals are called equivalent decimals. We also express a whole number as decimal. एक whole number को भी हम decimal में लिख सकते हैं. जैसे 3 है तो 3 can be written as 3.0 और 3.00. जितनी मर्जी 0 लगा दें वो 3 ही रहेगा. Okay, so I hope it's clear to you. Now exercise 8.2, question number 1. Write the following in decimal form. A part 6454/10. A part में नीचे 1 0 है, 10 है, तो आप डेसिमल कहाँ लगा देंगे before 1 digit from the unit place. So you will get 645.4. Now B part 69/1000. How many zeros are in the denominator? B zeros. So what will you do? आपके पास ऊपर तो 2 digits है, तो आप इसको 3 कैसे बनाएंगे? 1 0 you will add over here before 6. Okay, 9 के बाद नहीं, before 6, so it becomes 0.069. So I hope it's clear. You can try remaining parts. So you can try second question also, express the following in fractional form, and then the third one also. Now we are talking about like and unlike decimals. जैसे like fractions होते हैं, unlike fractions होते हैं, ऐसे ही like decimals and unlike decimals. Like decimals, decimals having the same number of decimal places are called like decimals. For example, number 1, 10.8, 4.6, 18.9. You can see after decimal all are having 1 digit. सबके पास 1 digit है. So these are becoming 1 decimal place, right? The second one 73.72, 11.08, 243.09. अब डेसिमल के बाद 2 digits हैं, तो ये क्या बन जाएंगे 2 decimal places each. ऐसे थर्ड है 2.098, 0.864, 80.268. इसमें क्या है डेसिमल के बाद 3 digits है, तो ये क्या बन जाएंगे 3 decimal places each. So thus decimals having the same number of digits on the right of the decimal point are known as like decimal. Now unlike decimal में क्या होगा, इनके different होंगे. Like decimals having different number of decimal places are called unlike decimals. See 0.7 इसमें decimal के बाद 1 digit है, so this is 1 decimal place. Here 2.61 इसमें decimal के बाद 2 digits है, so these are 2 decimal places. So these are unlike decimals. Now converting unlike decimals into like decimals. अब unlike को हम like में कैसे convert करेंगे? It's very easy. Unlike decimals can also be converted into like decimals by finding the equivalent decimal or by adding as many zeros as required. हम zeros add कर देंगे. जैसे आप देखो 3 numbers given, unlike decimals है ये 9.7 है because यहाँ पे decimal के बाद 1 digit है, 3.54 इसमें 2 digit है, 9.356 इसमें 3 digit है, so all are unlike. अब इनको आपने देखा है कि greatest number क्या है, 3 है, 3 digits है आपके decimal, तो आप सबको किसमें चेंज कर दोगे, 3 decimal place में. ओके आप उनको 1 decimal place में ही चेंज करोगे, ना ही 2 decimal place में. जो greatest है 3 digits, so आप उसको चेंज करोगे 3 decimal places में, क्योंकि नंबर ऑफ जीरो हम लगा देंगे तो ऑटोमेटिकली उनका डेसिमल प्लेस वैल्यू इंक्रीज हो जाएगी. सो 9.7 है तो इट बिकम्स 9.20 लगा देंगे, 9.700. 3.54 इसमें 8 जीरो लगा देंगे, 3.540 and this is as it is. So all are now changing into 3 decimal places. तो हमारे पास क्या बन गई है, like decimal. So unlike से like में बनाना है, simply put the zeros, right? Now comparison of decimals. अब compare कैसे करना है decimal number को. Step 1 obtain the decimal number. Number जो लिख लो जो भी है. Step 2 convert unlike decimals into like decimals. अगर वो unlike है तो उनको like में change कर दो. Then step 3 compare the whole number part of the given number. The number with greater whole part will be greater if the whole number parts are equal. Go to next step. आपने पहले compare करना है whole parts को. अगर whole part किसी का बड़ा है तो automatically that number is bigger. और अगर दोनों same है तो फिर हम देखते हैं कैसे करना है, आगे जाएंगे. Then step 4 compare the extreme left digits of the decimal part, that is digits at 10th place. The number with greater extreme left digit will be greater, and if the extreme left digits of decimal parts are equal, then compare the next digits, that is digit at 100th place and so on. आपने पहले कंपेयर किया whole part, suppose these are equal. अब आप जाएंगे 10th digit पे, 10th digit कंपेयर करेंगे, जो बड़ा होगा that number would be bigger. अगर वो भी सेम है फिर आप जाएंगे 100th digit पे, अगर वो भी सेम है फिर आप जाएंगे आगे 1000th digit पे. So like this a chain is going on. So we can see the example, it will be more clear to you. So for example, by using mathematical models or figures, so here two figures given. From the first one, it is given out of 100, 36 are shaded, so it becomes 0.36, and second one में 41 shaded है, so it becomes 0.41. So automatically you can see which one is bigger, 41 is bigger, 41. So 0.41 is bigger than 0.36. Now example 1, simple two numbers given here which is greater, 39.64 and 31.8. So I told you first you will compare whole part. तो whole part इसमें क्या है, 39 है और इसमें क्या है, 31 है. तो बड़ा कौन सा है, 39 is bigger. So this number automatically this number is bigger. So 39.64 is greater than 31.8. Now ordering of decimals means उसको order करना, arrange करना, ascending or descending order में, means comparison करना है and then we have to arrange it. So step 1, firstly convert all the decimals into like decimal. पहले सबको हम like decimal बना लेंगे. Step 2, check the whole number parts which are equal or unequal and arrange them accordingly. Whole part compare करेंगे, arrange करेंगे. And step 3, if whole number parts are equal, then compare the digits of the decimal place and arrange them accordingly. अगर whole part equal है तो हम compare करेंगे decimal place digits को like 10, 100 and then we will arrange. So see how. Example 2. In a school, during a medical inspection, the weight of 4 students were taken which are shown below. Write the weight of the students in ascending order. 4 students हैं. So to put them in ascending order, convert to like decimals. Sameer 18.230 weight, Arush 18.240, Athar 22.4 and Aman 19.32. You can see all are unlike. तो पहले इसको हम चेंज कर देंगे like में. तो greatest क्या है, 3 digits. So आप ये तो as it is रहेगा 18.230, ये भी as it is रहेगा. इसको बना देंगे हम 3 decimal place. तो 0.400, 2 zeros add कर देंगे and here 19.320. So now arrange as you would do for whole number. अब आप क्या करेंगे, अब आप compare करो कौन सा number which one is ascending order में arrange करना है, तो आपको क्या करना है? It means increasing order. तो सबसे छोटा नंबर कौन सा होगा? 18. Now compare it 18.230, 18.240. इनमें से कौन सा smaller है? 18 same, 0.2 same, 3 and 4. 3 is smaller, so this one is smaller than this. So first you will write this number and then you will write this number. So what will you get? 18.230 less than 18.240. Then out of 19 and 22, you know 19 is smaller. So 19.320 kg and then 22.400. So this is the ascending order. So you can try, you can enjoy this exercise 8.3. Now we are doing addition and subtraction of decimal. अब add और subtract कैसे करना है हमें decimals को? This is same as for addition and subtraction of whole number. जैसे हम whole numbers को add और subtract करते हैं, same way है, column wise लिखेंगे and then we will do the operation whatever. So to add and subtract the decimals, we follow the following steps. The step 1, convert the unlike decimals into like decimals. पहले हमें सबको like decimals में change कर देना है. Then step 2, arrange the decimals vertically with the decimal point in one line. तो decimal है वो one line में होना चाहिए, okay? And then step 3, add or subtract the decimal as usual and carry over the period. Decimal simply करते हैं, वैसे ही करना है. And then step 4, put the decimal point in the answer vertically below the other decimal point. So see how to do it. Example 1, add 17.9 and 14.55. अब दोनों unlike हैं, तो पहले हम इसको change कर देंगे like decimal में. तो आप क्या लिखेंगे? 17.90 and then इसके नीचे लिख देंगे 1 4 decimal के नीचे decimal point and 5 5. Now add these two numbers. जैसे हम simple add करते हैं, जहाँ पे decimal है decimal वहीं पे आएगा और add these two numbers. So answer is 32.45. Okay. Now example 2, subtract 22.807 from 39.04. These are unlike, so convert them into like decimals first. So what will you get? 39.040 और नीचे आप लिख देंगे 22.807 और दोनों को माइनस कर देंगे. Then the answer is 16.233. Okay. Now exercise 8.4 based on addition and subtraction. You can try this one. Now word problems. Example 1. Neha bought a purse for rupees 135.76 and a doll for rupees 322.75. Find the total cost of both the items. So total means addition. So solution is cost of the purse, you write, and then cost of the doll, you write. Both are like decimals. तो आप जैसे कॉलम वाइज लिख देंगे, डेसिमल के नीचे डेसिमल लगा देंगे, दोनों को ऐड कर देंगे. So thus the cost of both the items is rupees 458.51. Now example 2, a shopkeeper had a cloth piece of 212.45 meter. He sold 76.12 meter cloth from it. How much cloth is left? कितना cloth left हुआ? So left means minus. So solution, total length of the cloth piece is given. Shopkeeper sold 76.12 meter. Then cloth left with him. You will do subtraction. So answer is 136.33 meter. Right? Now exercise 8.5. You can enjoy these word problems. Now we are talking about multiplication of decimal. अब हम बात करते हैं multiply की. Addition done, subtraction done. अब आ जाते हैं multiplication में. It's very easy, simple. So multiplication of decimal by a whole number. अगर हमें decimal number को किसी whole number से multiply करना है, तो simple multiply करना है आपको. Step 1, ignore the decimal and treat the two numbers as whole numbers and multiply as usual. अभी decimal को भूल जाओ आप. So 167 into 3 कर दो, 501. Now count the number of decimal places in the multiplicand and multiplier and add the number of decimal places. अब देखो कितने decimal places हैं. सिर्फ इसमें है 16.7, only one. So जो भी आंसर आया आपके पास उसमें आप क्या करेंगे, यू विल पुट द डेसिमल पॉइंट बिफोर वन डिजिट, सो 50.1. Okay, so in the product, place the decimal point from the right after as many digits as the total number of decimal places. Right? 501 आई थी सिंपल मल्टीप्लिकेशन, 0.7 है, 1 डेसिमल प्लेस है, तो आप कहाँ लगा देंगे, बिफोर 1. सो आंसर इज 50.1. Now multiplication of decimal by decimal. अब हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं टू डेसिमल नंबर्स को, वैसे ही सिंपली मल्टीप्लाई करना है. Step 1, multiply the decimal number without the decimal point by another number. Two numbers है 8.71 and 9.5. So 871 और 95 दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. Right? Then step 2, place the decimal point so as to obtain as many decimal places in the product as there are in the decimal number. अब जितने decimal point के बाद digits हैं, जैसे इसमें 2 है और इसमें 1 है, 2 plus 1 3. It means answer में आप put the decimal point before 3 digits. So what will you get? You will get 82.745. It's clear? So now multiplication of decimal by 10, 100 and 1000 is very easy. When decimal number is multiplied by 10, we simply shift the decimal point one place to the right. So first example, find the value of 8.375 by 10. मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं हम 8.375 को 10 से. सो व्हेन यू मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10 आपने शिफ्ट करना है डिजिट टू द राइट वन प्लेस. तो आंसर क्या आ जाएगा आपका 83.75. अगर 100 से करेंगे तो डेसिमल शिफ्ट टुवर्ड्स राइट आफ्टर 2 प्लेस, तो आंसर इज 837.5. और अगर आप 1000 से करेंगे तो डेसिमल शिफ्ट टुवर्ड्स राइट आफ्टर 3 digits, so it is 8375.0. So from the above example we make the following observations. When a decimal is multiplied by 10, the decimal point is shifted by one place to the right. When a decimal is multiplied by 100, the decimal point is shifted by 2 places to the right. And when a decimal is multiplied by 1000, the decimal point is shifted by 3 places to the right. Okay? So now exercise 8.6, you can try, you can enjoy this one. Now we are talking about division of decimals. अब division की बात करते हैं. So division by a whole number. So step 1, start the division as usual by a whole number. जैसे हम simple divide करते हैं वैसे ही करना है. Then when we reach the 10th digit, place the decimal in the question and continue the division till last digit. जब हम 10th digit पे आ जाएंगे तो हमें decimal point लगा देना है question में और वैसे ही division करते जाना है. See how? Example 1, divide 105.55 by 25. So step 1, divide the decimal as division of whole number is done. Like आप लिख लेंगे 105.55, 25 से करना है, 25 4 100. अब decimal start हो गया है, so write here decimal in the question. Now you will take 5 here, 55 becomes 25 2 50. यहाँ पे 2 आ जाएगा. Then you can continue it. So you are getting remainder 0 here. Answer is 4.222. So place the decimal point in the question directly above the decimal point in the dividend. Note when the remainder is non-zero, we put as many zeros on the right of the decimal part as we did to make the last remainder zero. अगर zero नहीं आ रहा तो हम उसको लेते जाएंगे. Okay, we can take it, no problem. Now division a decimal by a decimal number. Step 1, convert the divisor into a whole number by multiplying the dividend and the divisor by 10, 100, 1000, etc. Step 2, divide the new dividend by the whole number so obtained. So see here example 2, divide 3.68 by 0.8. अब आपने divide करना है 36.8. So you can divide it and what will you get? You will get 4.6. Simple division. Now division of a decimal by 10. अभी हमने multiply by 10, 100, 1000 किया था. अब हम division करेंगे. अगर आप divide करते हैं तो आपने decimal put करना है towards left. See here 3.7 divided by 10. So we are getting 0.37. So there is no decimal point in the working of the sum. It should be shown in dividend and quotient only. So you can do exercise 8.7. You can enjoy it. Now word problems. Example 1. If 1 kg sugar costs rupees 34.50, find the cost of 24.500 kg of sugar. They are asking cost of more kg. It means more means multiply. So cost of 1 kg sugar is 34.50. So cost of this much kg sugar multiply कर देंगे दोनों को and you will get the answer like this. Now example 2. The cost of 24 pence is rupees 2986.80. Find the cost of 1 pen. अब 1 का find करना है. 1 means you have to divide it. So cost of 24 pence given. Cost of 1 pen divided by 24. So you will get the answer. You can divide it like this. So answer is 124.45. So some fun with maths. You can try it on your own. And exercise 8.8 also. It is based on word problems. You can enjoy it. So similarly, some MCQs over here, like the first one, 13 slabs of chocolate weight. This one, how much does 1 slab weigh? So what will you do? Division, okay? And similarly, you can do second question. And the third one, 7.2 minus 1.5. You can do subtraction here. And the fourth one, you can do addition. So thank you so much for watching this video. Stay connected with us till the next video. Have a good day.